everyone, we're the group 2 and today we're gonna present to you our performance task in mapping, the Wayang Kulit. Little Bobby's Brave Stand. Once upon a time, there was a little boy named Little Bobby and his mother Sarah. They live in a small place and also in a small house. One morning, little Bobby goes to school, but his heart sank as he saw two bullies. They would often tease him, calling him names and pushing him around. Little Bobby tried to ignore them, but it was hard. He felt sad and alone. When he came home, his mother Sarah noticed his tears and asked what was wrong. Little Bobby shared his story and Sarah listened with love and care. Sarah encouraged little Bobby to stand up for himself and to always remember that he was loved and valued. She taught him assertiveness techniques and role-played different scenarios. With newfound confidence, little Bobby faced the bullies again. "I deserve respect," he said firmly. The bullies were taken back and teasing stopped. Little Bobby's classmates began to see him in a new light, and he made a new friends. Sarah was proud of her brave little boy, and little Bobby felt happy and confident once again. The end.
Il vit pas la peine. Il est temps de cette photo,